guys, we made it to the Dollar Tree. $1.25, I should say. I need to get some more gloves. I want the ones with the rubber. Let's see. I like these that have the rubber grip. Yeah. These ones up here. I always buy a new pair of gloves every season because we wear them out. All right, I got that. Looking for some pots. Please, please have my pots. I got the big jumbo ones back here. Let's move these to the side so we can see what we're working with. We have big ones. They're in here. Also have the drainage holes. Nope, none back there. Let's look. Let's see. They got their seeds, cute pots, little decorative things, but no pots that I need. Hold on, let me check this out. All right, you guys, I'm still roaming around because I need to find some cups since their cups that they have are too small to a pot mine. I have to find what I have at home. Okay, let's look over here one more time. As you can see, they got inventory that they're trying to put out. See, these cups would be too big, and these too small. Let me see what one of these looks like. Well, we probably can get them going. Let's get two of these. There's 12 in each one of those. 12, 6. All right, these may get too fat. All right, you guys, we are thinking on our feet. If they don't have the cups we need, we have to try something different. So I'm going to get two of these, and these are 12 in a pack. So we get those two. I know, I'm better saying, Renee, just pick something. But y'all, when I'm up potting, I need to get as much as I can. So that's 24. 24. I don't think I have 24 plants. Maybe I better get one more. Okay. So I got 3 stacks. All right. Let's go see what else we can find in the Dollar Tree. All right. We're over here in the bath section. See what we can find over here. I'm always looking for cool soaps, body wash. Looking for, oh, I heard this one was supposed to smell really, really good. This one is body wash moisturizer. Let's sniff this and see. Let's sniff it. Oh, that smells like dish soap. Nope. And that's watermelon mojito. No, thank you. What's this one on the top up here? They got this one is called citrus and sage. Let's see what this one smells like. Nope. That don't smell good either. All right, we'll keep on looking. Let's see. Oh, I know what I wanted to try to find. If I can find the changing lipstick. What's this? This one says turmeric with ginger and black pepper. Powerful antioxidant gummies. Huh. Gonna try these. Never seen these before, so we're gonna try this. Throw that in there. But I am looking for glass cleaners. What is this? tea oil, balancing face wash. Don't need that. Let's see what else I can find. Okay, guys, so these are the few things that I purchased from the DT store. I was very intrigued by these turmeric with ginger and black pepper. So I am going to try this and see how they do, because heard these supposed to be really good for if you have a cold or if you're with your allergies. So we gonna see. And it's supposed to be good because it's supposed to be an antioxidant, so that's always good too. And I love it because it's in gummies, easy to chew, and you don't have to worry about me because I'm not a pill swallower. Child, I gotta chew everything. So, and I got some more labels that I needed. You guys saw that I was hunting for these planting, these cups, these pots for my seedlings, and they have a new line of mini and um Disney cookware. So they have a line of spatulas, they have spoons, they have pot holders, towels. So if you guys are into the Disney thing, they have Mickey Mouse too. So this is the only one I could find in my DT. So if you guys are interested in the Disney stuff, this are so cool. Isn't this? Look at that. Oh, and it's a beautiful little whisk. And it's really small and a miniature. I'll show you from the length of my hand to my wrist. So that gives you an indication how sorry about my hands being all dry. Let's do it this way. And that way you'll be able to see how big it is. Well, the length of it in it anyway. So excited, you guys. And it's real lightweight, durable. I cannot wait to use this in pancake batter, whipping up my eggs, anything that you need a whisk for. Child, this is going to be perfect, perfect, perfect. And it's so adorable. Oh, and I also purchased some gardening gloves, but they're out in the garage. So, and I always like to get the gardening gloves that have the waterproof on the inside, or the whole glove is waterproof, because I tried using the cloth gloves, but once, because I'm always putting my hands in water and stuff, and the cloth gloves, they always seem to absorb the liquid and my hands get all wet, and I don't like that. That's why, well, I always get the rubber ones. All right, guys. So this is all I was able to get at the DT. So look out for this new line of utensils and stuff from the Disney um, series. Woohoo! I'm so excited about that. Give you a close up look at it. Isn't that beautiful? So I cannot wait to find Mickey Mouse and any other characters that they have in the series. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna end this video because your girl has other things she got to get done in the garden and inside this house. All right, guys. Take care, and I will talk to you in the next video. Woohoo! Let me know if you guys have tried this turmeric with this ginger and black pepper. If you have, give me your thoughts on it. It was only $1.25, and you get 14 gummies. All right, turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. Let's see what you got. All right, guys, take care.